I saw another robot folding laundry.
Hmm.
People make fun of this. Knowing what I know about robotics, it's like one of the hardest tasks. Why? It takes a lot of dexterity to do it well, and clothes are incredibly variable. Here's your video of um, a robot folding laundry. Now, I've been watching these robots attempt to do this for a decade or more, but this one is getting it done. The number of people employed or spending their days folding clothes is the population of people who are not in college and throw their dryer stuff into a basket and then just pull it out of the dryer basket without folding it. But for everybody else, the other 90% of people, gosh, they wear 10 outfits a week or so, 20 items of clothing. There's 20 items of clothing that need to be folded. And this robot is doing a bang up job of folding laundry. And we have the founder with us. So
We do. So please welcome everyone to the show. It's Kaan Doğrusöz. He is the CEO of Weave Robotics. It's based out of San Francisco in my old stomping grounds in the Soma neighborhood. And critically, Jason, this is not a humanoid robot. It's what I call a partial humanoid robot. It's got a base with wheels, and then there's a stick, and then there's arms. So we've taken away some of the complexity, abstracted it away, but it does fold laundry very quickly. Kaan, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Kaan, you heard my little intro here about how hard it is to fold laundry. Maybe you could tell us why you picked this task for your startup and exactly how hard it was to do this 10 years ago and why it's gotten, I wouldn't say easy, but it's certainly easier. Take us through the startup and why you chose this vertical.
For sure. At Weave Robotics, we are building robots that we wanted to see in our homes, but for everyone. And the reason laundry is a core use case for us is because it is something that a lot of people have to spend time doing. It is linear time. It just like the more laundry you have, the more time it takes. And it's something that people have shied away from many years because it was hard. And the reason it's hard is fabrics are very challenging. It's very hard to simulate. They can be in infinitely many configurations. It's not like, your phone where it's either upside down or topside down. It's there's just so many intricacies of it. There's different fabrics, different patterns on it. And yeah, 10 years ago, this was much more challenging because we didn't have like the backbone that's forming now a lot of the architectures for robotic learning. Things like VLMs that have been trained on internet scale data give us really good semantic information to build off of. And yeah, we built the first version of this robot just in our living room and trained it on our own architecture with data that we collected just when it was just Evan and I, my best friend. And we got it to fold t-shirts for the first time. And ever since then, we've basically been very excited about, how much progress we've been able to make with latest methods.
So what will the cost of this be and when will it be available for purchase is what the audience is thinking about right now. And then take us through the second, third, and fourth use cases that you're, essentially what the only other category here is basically Roombas, I think, for home robotics. So this is a really interesting second act, but there's nothing that says you couldn't put a Roomba as the base of this and have it clean the floors as it walks around and picks up your dirty laundry.
Yeah, great questions. Well, we opened up for pre-orders last year. We opened up for a small cohort of 30. Those sold out pretty instantaneously. And as for the cost, this is first of its kind premium product that like nobody has really established this product category. So it's going to be in the tens of thousands of dollars for this first cohort of customers. And as we've in-housed much of our design, we've been able to kind of like take that price down as much as possible because the end goal is to not just ship 30 of these things, but hundreds and then thousands. And
how far can you get that price down in the first couple of generations? Does it get down to single digit thousands or is it still going to be eight figures?
In the first couple generations, there's definitely a path to single digits.
Okay. That's
so right now you sold the first 30 for 15K or something crazy like that?
Well, our customers put down a reservation fee, and
Ah.
the final price will be basically when they receive the robots. That's when it'll be
Got it.
concrete.
So not announced yet, but you're saying tens of thousands. So it could be upwards of 20K for this robot to start.
Correct.